Today, we are turning this cold, echoey loft into this warm, soul-soothing, 70s-inspired living room. So stick around because we are bringing in bold patterns, lots of color, and all the cozy vibes. First, we're bringing in these TV consoles. These are going to go under their flat screen in the loft. We're going to use these for storage, storing books, games, you name it. And they're also the perfect style for this 70s inspired loft that we are going for. These cabinets are from Walmart. They were an incredible deal. And then we're going to add this rug. This rug we also found on Walmart online. It has this beautiful, bold pattern, which we really liked. And we really loved the greens and the oranges. It was very warm, and it also had these neutral tone birds on the rug, which we both absolutely loved.
Wait, look at the birds in this. I didn't realize that was birds. Did you?
Either. No.
I thought it was like
there was an orange.
hairs. They're orange.
There's oranges,
Okay,
right?
let's pull up.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Love. Great.
Okay, can we talk about this couch for a second? I wanted this loft to feel like a warm hug. And this right here is the definition of comfort. The high back, and it has a cloud soft cushion, like you basically melt into it. And the best part is that it's modular. So I really wanted something that was really gonna just be flexible. So I was able to arrange it exactly how I wanted for the space. But if we ever wanted to change things up, or they wanted to move things around, or even add more seats down the line, it's totally customizable. Oh, and no annoying sliding around either. These pieces lock together so everything stays in place. And even with kids or movie night chaos, part I would have to say though is this ottoman. Okay, sneaky storage is what I'm all about. And I love that you can keep all the cozy essentials right here. Pillows, throws, even board games. So that way the room stays uncluttered, but ready for anything. The best part about it is that the sectional is from Amazon and it's by the brand Be Deep. I will link it down below. You guys, incredible sectional for the price. Like, blown away. So I would totally recommend you guys checking this out. It does come in a few different options of colors, but the green is such a vibe and it totally works for this living room space. So once the main pieces were in, I really wanted to warm up the space with some vintage inspired character. And nothing says cozy 70s charm like a curated vignette. And this little corner was just begging for some soul. So I found these prints that have this gorgeous nostalgic feel, soft landscapes, really warm muted tones, and just a hint of that retro mood. And instead of going for super modern frames, I went for these warm brass finishes that really feel like they've been around forever. There's something about mixing old and new that just makes sense for a space that feels layered and lived in, and the frames almost feel like something you'd find in your grandma's house, but in the best way possible.
Looks pretty straight to me.
Yeah, looks straight.
Size higher.
Looks like the left side on the bottom one is higher. Like the right side needs to come up a little bit, I think.
This one come up a little more.
Yeah, just like a tiny bit. Yeah,
Like there.
And of course, what is a cozy little corner without the perfect glow? So we found this lamp just to bring in that soft ambient light that makes the whole space feel like a warm hug. I love that this corner feels curated and collected, and it's just having its own moment. To soften things up a bit, we really wanted to let the green sectional shine. So I brought in some neutral throw pillows. And these just add the right amount of contrast, like without fighting for attention. And the textures, I feel like that's kind of where the magic happens. So we added this kind of like a more knitted fabric, really soft linen. And then we added a touch of a knitted pillow. And then I really wanted a lumbar pillow that had a little bit of striping and detailing in it, but it was very subtle. So with the bold color of the sectional, these neutrals just keep everything grounded. And it's all about that cozy balance where nothing feels too loud, but everything just feels intentional.
Just have to like come back.
Oh, you can come every day. I'm sad that this is a one-day ordeal.
And to finish off the main seating area, we brought in this round coffee table, and I love what it does to the space. Because the sectional is modular and it has a lot of structure, I wanted to break up those lines a little bit, and the round shape does exactly that. It adds flow and softness, and honestly, it's just more inviting. And this was the moment I felt like the whole room really came together. We added this bold linen textured wallpaper, and it has this beautiful depth and softness that instantly warmed up the entire loft. It's subtle, but it's like also very strong, and it totally transformed the walls from blank and basic to cozy and just character filled. So we did something a little unexpected. We actually wrapped the wallpaper into the window inserts. It's a small detail, but I feel like it gives the windows this fully custom built-in feel, like they were always meant to be part of the design. To finish off the window treatments, we added these pinch pleat curtains, and we added these gold clips, and we didn't want the space to feel too formal, but we wanted it to finish off that wall with the windows and the wallpaper. And we feel like these linen curtains just added a nice softness to the bold wallpaper, and we felt like it just really complemented the space very well. We picked up this wooden curtain rod as well. I felt like that was a nice touch versus going for a black curtain rod. It just felt a little too harsh. So we sticked with that warmer tones, and we loved how it looked against the wallpaper.
Look at me doing that. That was genius.
I know. I need it to be a little further.
So you need more like that?
That's as
Originally, we planned to wrap both walls with the wallpaper, but once we got it up, it felt a little too intense for the space. Like the walls felt like they were starting to close in a little bit. So instead, we switched gears and we added a custom beadboard on the second wall. And honestly, I feel like this was the best decision ever. We went with this rich, dark chocolate paint, and it brought in so much warmth and contrast. It has that like 70s inspired earthiness, but it still feels grounded and elevated.
Okay, we need to take it.
Pretty.
Okay, so we just need it more in the middle part. Sorry, just want to make sure we don't overdo it.
I thought it was more purpley than that.
I know. Surprise. I'm glad it's not, because I didn't want it to be.
But anyways, I love how the texture and the beadboard plays off of the linen wallpaper, and it just adds this really visual interest without competing with each other. And it just really helps define that like different zones in the room without breaking the vibe. Once the accent wall was fully dried, I added the final touches to the storage cabinets, and it was exactly what this space needed. We kept it simple, but I feel like it was intentional. We added some cozy textures, a few of our children's books, and then we also just added enough little storage to keep things looking clean, but also lived in. So with that whole space finally coming together, I feel like it needed one more thing, and we added a little bit of life. And I wanted to add this plant as a final touch. I feel like it just brings in that fresh, organic element, and it really just softens everything beautifully. Well, there you have it. That is the transformation. What do you guys think? From a blank loft to a vintage-inspired cozy living room with all the 70s vibes, I'm in love with it, and I love how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you guys don't miss more room makeovers, styling tips, and easy design hacks. Catch you next time, and thanks for watching.